Hello kids, welcome to the class. Here in this video we are going to learn how to add a given to fraction, and in this case you are having a same denominator, that is like fraction. And if you get a question with regards to this, that is where the denominators are the same, then trust me, you are the luckiest person in this whole world, because this is the easiest question to solve. What you have to do is simply you just have to add the both numerators. Denominator you will just write as it is, you're not going to add it, please remember that. You're just going to copy paste the denominator because it is same, and you are simply going to add the two given numerator. As I said, you are just going to add the numerator. So here it will be 3 plus 1 whole upon 5, because 5 is common. Now 3 plus 1 is 4 upon 5. So the addition of 3 upon 5 and 1 upon 5 will be 4 upon 5. Done. Only this much you have to do. Now let's take the another question, that is 6 upon 7 plus 2 upon 7. Same logic you have to apply over here too, that is just add the given two numerators. So it will be 6 plus 2 the whole upon 7. 6 plus 2 gives you 8 upon 7. Now here is a catch. When you see answer like 8 upon 7, which looks like a improper fraction, so here you have to convert it or find the simplest form of this given fraction. Now here you can see it is an improper fraction. That means the simplest form of this will be in the form of mixed fraction. Now what is improper fraction? Where the numerator is big and denominator is small, that means it is an improper fraction. So here let's convert this given fraction to mixed fraction. How it will be? Just simply divide 8 divided by 7, 1. So the answer will be quotient 1 upon 7. So the answer of this addition, that is 6 upon 7 plus 2 upon 7, will be 1 upon 7. Now you must be wondering, in the previous question we did not do anything like that. It was because it was already in the simplest form. Now let's go to the other question, that is 3 upon 4 plus 1 upon 4. So here, as the rule says, you just have to simply add the numerators. So it will be 3 plus 1 upon 4, which gives you 4 upon 4. Now what do you observe? Both numerator and denominator is having the same number. Again, you are the luckiest person. So it will be 1. So the answer for 3 upon 4 plus 1 upon 4 will be 1. So this is how you are supposed to do the addition when the denominators are same. Hope you are understanding. Please don't forget to subscribe. Meet you in the next class. Till then, take care. Bye bye.